Welcome to the Vital PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create an extension in the Vital PBX phone system. To begin, log into Vital PBX. From the dashboard, click on the PBX tab and then click Extensions. Then click on Extensions from the dropdown. In the extension field, type in the extension number. In the name field, type in the name of the user. In the email address field, type in the email address that will be used to receive service messages. This field can be used to get a welcome email with a QR code that will provision the extension in the Vital PBX Connect mobile app. In the internal CID field, type in the name and caller ID displayed when calling other extensions on this PBX. In the external CID field, type in the name and caller ID displayed for calls outside of this PBX. Select the ULAW, ALAW, and G729 codecs. Turn on the WebRTC client and mobile client if you want to enable these features. Click on Save, then click on the refresh icon here. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an extension in the Vital PBX phone system. Check back for more helpful videos on Vital PBX as well as other helpful guides.